not driving. I'm a passenger in a car.
People still don't seem to understand you cannot attend a court hearing while driving, and that was no different for Kimberly Carroll. She joined the Zoom call late, claimed she wasn't behind the wheel, but what the judge saw on camera told a completely different story. And when you try to bluff a judge in real time, it rarely ends well.
LVNB versus Kimberly D. Carroll, 2600124. Appearance, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Brian Gruen, GROEN, P number 56673, on behalf of plaintiff LVNV Funding.
And Your Honor, defendant has not checked in with me on Zoom.
Okay, well, you filed a complaint. I mean, she sent me a letter, additional time to develop a plan, but she's got to be here. You want to default?
I do, Your Honor.
Go
The
ahead.
damage amount on this account is $1,788.80. We've incurred court costs of $75 filing fee, service fee of $58.05 for a total cost of $133.05. So we're looking at a total judgment of $1,921.85. And I'll get that filed later this afternoon through my file.
All right.
Judge, if I may, really quick, I have an iPhone here that I haven't been able to identify.
Oh, on the iPhone there. Sir, ma'am, can you start your video and tell us your name, please?
Oh, I've only done one of these
It might
before.
be-
My name is Kimberly Carroll. I'm sorry.
There
I was
she is.
sitting in some room or something, and then I didn't know. I was just sitting there staring at myself. I'm sorry.
Oh, boy. All right. You got to have your name on there, okay?
All right, how do I do that?
Well, you got to start your video right now.
All right, let's see.
Let's start with that. I just entered a default judgment.
Is there as me?
You cannot be driving, ma'am. What are you doing?
I'm-
Come on.
I'm not driving. I'm a passenger in a car.
You're still not, I'm not hearing cases with people driving or as passengers in cars.
Okay, I will pull over right
Short of
now.
us coming out to everybody's house and doing these on boats and stuff in the summer, I don't know.
I'm sorry, I have an emergency. I'm going out of town for a family member, but I will have my driver pull over. Hang on one second. I'm sorry. I didn't know that I wasn't allowed to be in a car, but hang on one second.
Am I crazy or does it not look like you're driving that car?
I'm not driving the car. I'm a passenger in the car, sir.
What side of the car are you on?
I'm on the left-hand side.
How would you be on the left-hand side if you're a passenger in the front seat? Am I missing something?
Right-hand side. I'm sorry. I've been sitting in a room. I didn't know.
Yeah, the seatbelt's coming off of the driver's side, right? You now you're lying to me, right?
No, I'm not, sir.
Let me see the driver. Let me see the driver.
Hang on one second. I
Now,
have to ask their permission.
now.
Oh my God.
Oh, you're not in the you weren't in the driver's side. You think I'm that stupid? I'm going to go ahead and enter a default judgment. Our paperwork says that they can't drive. Does it not, Jennifer?
I don't know, Your Honor. I'd have to look at it
The
again. I haven't
paperwork
looked
that
at it in
I'm
a while.
looking at, it does not say that I cannot be in a car.
I'm entering a default judgment. You lied to me. Judgment 1921-85. Send me your counsel and put in there defendant was not available at the time and then was driving a car and telling the court she was not. I'm entering a default judgment. Have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I signed in at 1:30, sir.
Well, you got an attitude with you, I'll tell you that. You got an attitude. I'm not putting up with it. Nonsense. Good luck to you.
Under Michigan law, Section 600.8723 allows a court to enter a default judgment when a party fails to properly appear or defend their case. And that's exactly what this turned into. Joining late, appearing in a moving vehicle, and then giving an explanation the judge didn't believe is not what the law considers a proper appearance. The judge isn't required to keep going back and forth when the situation is already clear. So instead of continuing the hearing, the judge moved forward without her and entered judgment, which is exactly what this section allows when a defendant does not properly participate. Because in court, showing up is one thing, showing up the right way is what actually counts. If you've ever wondered how quickly things can go wrong in court, this is exactly how it happens. Follow for more real cases like this.